extra access is not right. Now we gotta duplicate this cut. Got it right where it needs to be, sitting where it needs to be. The front welded in, the seat pieces back in, just weld on this back side. We're gonna put it up on the lift, going to weld all the way around, and that'll be it.
Think it's kinda crazy how we get up out of the system. Niggas dying every day, I'm sleeping with my pistol. I see dollar signs, I got money on my money. We go hit the street, go get that bag, I'm on a mission. Shoot these dollars in it on, man, I just wanna fall. Got my head up to the sky, with my back against the wall. OG told me just stay down, fuck with me, it's going down. And that chopper got extended, that bitch hold 100 rounds. I'm from Lil Rod in my city, man, I just wanna fall. Set the colors on some sixes and see real high off the ground. In the back a couple pounds, fuck with me, it's going down. Then we're way back in the day, it don't.
What's going on, YouTube? Man, we are back. As y'all can see, we are jumping all out of. Oh, hold on, let me turn this camera around. All right, let me adjust it. Adjust my head. All right. As y'all can see, we are jumping way out of order with this car. This car's supposed to be painted. Blah 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 blah. In the last clip, you guys saw me welding up the flow pans, finishing up the flow pans, and now we are doing the rear end. So my brother got it tore down, and now we're going back with the new gear, which is over here. So got it back together, got it pressed in, got all the bearings pressed. Just got to put it in now. So all right, YouTube, once we get it in, we'll be right back. Yeah, he taking it over there now to get pressed in.
Cold motherfucker out there. Who? You want to put on that G6? It's cold. I ain't regular paint? Nah, just to have pressure line. You gotta drop the seal.
Several months later.
What's going on, YouTube? We're back on my brother's Cutlass. I last left you guys at me welding up the bottom, and my brother was putting his posi unit, his gear in the rear end. So since then, fast forward to several months later, we've done all the body work, we've primed it, we've put it in the second prime, and now we're going to wet sand it and get it ready for paint, and then we're gonna start putting it together. Well, he's gonna put it together. Same thing like we did on the Regal. Just gonna paint it. We're gonna flow coat it. I think we're gonna do the top here. We're gonna do the top together up here, and then the interior, his motor and everything else, he's gonna finish it at home, like my other partner with the Kandy Purple Regal, like he's doing. So part 4, you'll see when I get ready to cut and buff it, or we'll stop by the house and check on progress on the Regal and this car, but you know, we'll see. But we're just gonna paint it, flow coat it, and do the top, and then he's gonna put it back together from there. So show you guys where we at right now. Yeah, turn the camera around. So the only thing left now is we guide coat it, is to wet sand it. All the body work is done. So what we're going to do is, we didn't already scuff the jams and the trunk. So we're going to shoot the door jams and the trunk first and under the hood. And then we're going to let it sit for a couple of days. Then we're going to paint the outside. So the next clip you guys see should be either the hood getting painted, because the hood is off the car. So we're going to go ahead and paint it since it's off the car. Either the hood getting painted or the jams in the trunk getting painted. So, but after the hood, the jams in the trunk, then we'll end part 3 and pick up on part 4 on painting the outside, flow coating it, and towing it to the house. So, because I think painting the door jams in the hood and the trunk is gonna take up about 15-20 minutes. So, and that's pretty much how I'm keeping the videos, is trying to keep them under 20-25 minutes. Well, all right, YouTube, see y'all in the next clip. All right, YouTube. As y'all saw in the 2 pictures, we done put the trunk. We done put the trunk and the hood on. We guide coated. We done blocked it with 220. Now we're about to wet sand it with 600 and wash it. We're gonna let it dry, then we're gonna start taping it up for paint. But it's been a long journey for my brother's car, but it's finally coming to an end. I gotta fix one more thing. Something is wrong with his headlight right here where it's sagging, so I gotta fix that to get it level like that one. And that's it. So after it get wet sanded and it's dry, I'm gonna go in here and fix this. And well, I might fix it before we wet sand it. But man, we blocked it out the first time. We found some dings that was right up in here. My body guy went on and fixed it, re-primed it, and we re-blocked the hood again yesterday. So everything blocked out perfect. So all right, YouTube, that's it, man, for episode 3. And episode 4, we're gonna pick up of spraying the outside. Like I said, I'm not sure if we're gonna do the top here or do it at his house, but we will definitely be spraying it, flow coating it, and sending it back to his house so he can put it back together. He gonna put his interior in. He gotta finish doing his motor, and that'll be it, man. So all right, you guys, subscribe and see what I do next, and man, ring that bell, because I'm starting to post more frequently now as I'm getting the cars closer to getting out, so you guys will start seeing maybe something at least every week. So ring that bell and you'll be notified as soon as I post something. So all right, man, see y'all in episode 4.